Hi, my name's Matthew and I'm from Oxford. I completed the HyperionDev Bootcamp in data science. What I found particularly good about the instructions that the pace was just right. So it started slowly and then got quicker, so we were able to cover more ground later on, and I felt challenged in a good way. And the best thing I can say about the curriculum is that the skills I've acquired through doing the bootcamp I've really put into effect in the career I've been able to get afterwards. There were a few exploratory data analyses to do as part of the bootcamp, and I particularly remember one project where we had the freedom and the responsibility to choose our own data set and the methods we'd use. I picked UK mortality data. I really felt I gained skills in data cleaning, statistical tests, and data visualization from being put in that position where I had to tell a story that made sense from the data, building on the work I'd already been doing in the previous tasks. The role I'm in at the moment, a large measure of it is actually data presentation. So those are the kind of regular projects that I get in terms of presenting data for meetings with people on the committee that I work on. So that's really helped a lot, being able to learn that and really get those skills from this bootcamp. Having done the bootcamp, now when I'm in a position where I'm faced with quite a tricky coding related task, even if it's not obvious to me how to go about it, the knowledge that I've done this kind of thing before and found a way, and I've got the baseline skills to begin breaking the task down, has really helped my confidence in approaching those tasks. You need to be sure that you will have the time available to dedicate to this bootcamp. It has to be right for you in terms of what career-related objectives and skill-related objectives you're trying to achieve and how they line up with the bootcamp description. But if those things are all in place, then I say go for it.